Starting around the 25th of April 2023, Dogecoin generally is exchanging at 7 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.85% in especially most recent 60 minutes. Doge fundamentally has a sort of complete market cap of $10,848,769,434 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $349,813,031, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. This explicitly makes Dogecoin lovely positioning at 8 in the digital money market, or so they for the most part thought. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin explicitly be especially worth in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Is Dogecoin an especially wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Doge cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high, which by and large is genuinely critical? These explicitly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a quite huge manner. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Doge cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross a genuinely normal value level of 10 cents. The normal extremely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the really current year ought to be 9 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Doge can especially arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of 12 cents, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. Dogecoin value estimate April 2023. For April 2023, the cost of Dogecoin really is for the most part anticipated to explicitly arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of 8 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 8 cents and a by and large least of 7 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value expectation May 2023. Dogecoin cost generally is supposed to by and large reach between 8 cents to 8 cents in May 2023, while the fundamentally normal cost of Doge for the May stays around 8 cents. Dogecoin value expectation June 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 8 cents and 9 cents in a kind of enormous manner, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around 8 cents. Dogecoin value expectation July 2023. The cost of Dogecoin explicitly is truly anticipated to truly reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of 8 cents in July 2023 in a truly significant way. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of 9 cents with the really normal exchanging worth of 8 cents all through 2023 in an especially significant manner. Doge value estimate August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogecoin is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a truly least value worth of 8 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge cost could generally arrive at an extremely greatest cost of 10 cents with the exceptionally normal cost around 9 cents, which is very critical. Doge value conjecture September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Dogecoin in a real sense is supposed to truly arrive at a really least value worth of 9 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge cost could especially arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 11 cents with the by and large normal cost around 9 cents, which essentially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part is supposed to explicitly be at around a kind of least of 9 cents. Extremely further appearance how Dogecoin value expectation May 2023. Dogecoin cost for the most part is supposed to generally reach between 8 cents to 8 cents in May 2023, while the exceptionally normal cost of Doge for the May really remains around 8 cents. Dogecoin value expectation June 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 8 cents and 9 cents in a significant manner. Dogecoin cost can for the most part arrive at a very limit of 11 cents with the kind of typical cost of 9 cents in USD. Doge value conjecture November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Dogecoin especially is supposed to explicitly arrive at least value worth of 9 cents. The Doge cost could especially arrive at a very greatest cost of 11 cents with the typical cost around 9 cents, which certainly is very huge. Dogecoin value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Dogecoin basically is supposed to be at around a by and large least of 9 cents in an especially huge manner. Dogecoin cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of 12 cents with the really normal cost of 10 cents in USD. Dogecoin fundamentally passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been generally diminished by 1.03% in its especially current worth, demonstrating the way that Dogecoin cost can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of 12 cents with the truly normal cost of 10 cents in USD, which for the most part is genuinely critical. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the for the most part current market cap of the Doge with yesterday, you can all things considered see that the market cap truly is likewise down in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin generally is confronting in every practical sense difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, showing that Dogecoin value forecast July 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense reach at a genuinely least worth of 8 cents in July 2023 in a kind of significant way. The Doge in a real sense is down to nearly 16.43% in the essentially most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for certainly past genuinely couple of days. The coin could especially have in every practical sense solid essentials yet. We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, after the contrasting the in every practical sense current cost with recent days cost history, it explicitly is seen that Dogecoin, all things considered, has expanded 2.527% in its worth. So Doge certainly has an essentially complete market cap of $10,848,769,434 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $349,813,031, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The truly normal for the most part least cost for the month fundamentally is 7 cents, while sort of greatest essentially normal cost certainly was 7 cents, which is very huge. This suggests that this coin in a real sense is a reasonable resource and another expansion to exceptionally arrangement of coins for extremely long haul amazingly. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 6.26%, and the cost commonly flowed from a sort of least kind of typical cost of 7 cents to most extreme fundamentally normal cost of 7 cents in the especially beyond 90 days. Dogecoin basically is somewhere near 11.66%, with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 11 cents, and the for the most part least typical cost of certainly was around 9 cents in sort of beyond 4 months. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will basically be Dogecoin genuinely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Doge cost for the most part is determined to arrive at a greatest degree of 12 cents with sort of least cost of 9 cents toward the finish of 2023, or so they really thought. Does Dogecoin for the most part have a future in a fundamentally significant manner? As far as value, Dogecoin sort of has an exceptional truly potential to in every way that really matters arrive at new levels, which is genuinely huge. It truly is estimate that Doge will increment in esteem, which explicitly shows that Dogecoin truly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, exhibiting that Dogecoin value expectation July 2023. The cost of Dogecoin by and large is fundamentally anticipated to for the most part reach at a for the most part least worth of 8 cents in July 2023 in an unpretentious way. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Dogecoin can explicitly stir things up around town cost of $2.87 till 2030. Further appearance how besides Doge can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 12 cents in an especially enormous manner. Is Dogecoin most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin's worth especially is supposed to generally keep on growing, as lack will in general explicitly empower cost rise, which fundamentally shows that as per sort of unambiguous